Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Scorpios. We'll be picking cards from two decks, guys. So it's going to be like a pick a card. If you want to watch the reading from these cards, you can watch it. Continue the video, guys. If you want to watch the second card, you can skip to the timestamp I have given in your description, guys. So these are the cards. This is the first deck, guys. Scorpios, and this is your second deck. These are the cards. If you want these cards, you can skip to that timestamp, guys. And I'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck, guys, and we will open that card at last. So for this card, we will start the reading now. Scorpios, Two of Pentacles, it's 10 of Wands in reverse, 6 of Cups, 9 of Pentacles in reverse, and 6 of Pentacles. With these cards, Scorpios, the energy is that you are trying to adapt, or you're trying to be flexible between two choices or between two career paths that you have taken up for yourself, guys. Some creative ventures or a second career, something. So you are trying to adapt between those options or choices today. And maybe for some of you all, it may be really stressing you, burdening you, quite difficult for you, because you have two careers and you have more responsibilities today. So that may be burdening you. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, you may be taking help from people, or you may be helping them, supporting them financially or emotionally, some support. It may be a friend, a family member, Scorpios, some kind of dependency or some kind of helpful activities are there. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, you may be sharing your dreams and memories with your family, your friends, or your person, your past, some pleasant memories of your past. Maybe for some of you all, you may even be revealing something about your past, about your childhood days, about those times, happy times, maybe for some of you all, or maybe some childhood traumas that you faced. You are sharing all that with this person, so they are getting some knowledge about you. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you in your career, there may be some kind of delays or suspensions, or you may not get the expected results in your work. Some projects they may complete, and the whatever you were expecting, the profits, that may be not up to your expectation, guys. So that is the energy with these cards. Let us see this pile number 2 for your daily energies. What are these cards? Book, Ring, Bear, Tower, and Sith. Scorpios, with these cards, the energy for y'all is that, guys, maybe in your personal life or in your professional life, you may be having people, someone older to you, maybe siblings or parents or mentors in your work, someone on whom you have great respect and concern. They may exercise certain authority over you, they may be trying to control your actions, dominate your decisions. So you may feel that they are trying to control you in some way, and that may be stressing you. That is what I see here. And also I see here that this person may be trying to make some decisions for you regarding some legal agreements that you are going in for. That may be in your work, maybe something that needs careful planning and dedication. That is the reason they are helping you out. Maybe for some of you all guys, something related to work. Maybe you are moving in with some kind of agreement, or taking responsibility for something in your work, or it may relate to that deep commitment you want to have in your personal life with this person. You may be taking this relationship forward with engagement or marriage, guys. You want to propose, or they are coming to propose, something of that sort, guys. And again we see here that you are learning something, getting some knowledge about something. Maybe this person, they are communicating to you about them, about what they feel, or about their past, or about their family, something they want to tell you. Or it may be you are learning some, you may be attending some workshops, some thing related to some form of learning, or you may be helping somebody out with your knowledge, something of that sort, guys. And maybe for some of you today, guys, some stressful situations, maybe in your personal life or in your career, you would have felt some kind of loneliness, or some kind of obstacles, some stressful situations. But that is coming to an end here, guys. You are getting clarity and understanding in your life. That is what I see here. Maybe after some difficult times, you are able to see things through. Maybe something that was bothering you till now, that energy is coming to an end. You are getting that peace of mind today, guys. That is what I see here. What is the card for your oracle's guidance, Scorpios? Community. So with this card here, guys, the energy is that in our life, guys, in our work situation or in our personal life, we are all part of a group. So being the part of the group is the important thing. So our contribution to the group may be small or big, that does not matter. Our part, we are part of something, that is the thing that matters, because we feel that sense of belonging and understanding within that group, that like-minded connection, that will help us, that will give us support in our life, guys. So that is what this card is about. And also, guys, with this card, in our relationship, sometimes we lead or we make certain decisions, but sometimes we follow the other person makes certain decisions. So we need to understand that each and every one of us are different. We have our own positive and negatives, our flaws. So when we have that understanding between each other, when we support each other, when that sense of belonging is there in that relationship, it will help to bring that, build that strong foundation in our relationship, guys. So the same way in our work situation also, when we are working with like-minded people, when we have a particular goal to reach, our dreams and goals, when those merge, we will be that group that works towards a common goal. So when we are working in that particular way, we make things manifest in a better way. Things will turn out to be very positive if we work together with that mindset. That is what is this card is about, and that is the oracle's guidance for your Scorpios, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.